Hello YouTube, this is Cat40 Life here, bringing you a bike check. This is my brand new bike, Mongoose Mode 540. Just got this like 2 or 3 days ago. One of my favorite parts about this is the grips. Really good, really good. But when your hands are pretty slippery, not so good. They're just regular Mongoose grips. Bar ends, plastic. Kind of ruined both of them. See, as you can see. Kind of ruined both of them, but still pretty good. You got the regular Mongoose seat, looks pretty comfortable, really isn't, hurts your butt pretty bad. And then you got the aluminum steel pedals, or aluminum pedals, comes like this. Then you got your 3-piece crank, it's pretty good, I like it. You got, I think it's a 25 by 9 tooth sprocket. And then you got your neck. The only thing about the handlebars is when you first get it, they're not really tight. So you have to tighten these 4 bolts up front on the neck. But when you tighten it, really good, won't bend for a while. Then you got your regular Mongoose tires with red wall on both of them. Comes with the kickstand. That's really surprising. Every time I get a bike, they never come with kickstands. Spikes, although really good. I like how it sounds. Runs smooth, goes smooth. Haven't had any problems with it yet. And you can get it from stores like Walmart. This is where I got mine from. For $150. It's really cheap for a good bike like this. Yeah. This is Cat40 Life here, bringing you a bike check. Peace out.